Okay, today we're going to be talking about the upper ball joints on this Honda CR-V. Now on these upper ball joints, you really can't buy just a ball joint. You have to buy the whole upper A-arm in an assembly to replace these, and I would recommend doing that and then going out and buying a ball joint and pressing in there, because this is just really not that thick of steel on these. It's kind of dark out here, but it's not really thick, so you got to replace them all. So first you're going to start taking your tire off, and I'm going to have to do some lug replacements right here and here on this one. And then you're going to, all you have to do is loosen up this castle nut. Well, take your pin out, take your castle nut off, and then I take and hit this with a hammer a couple times. Don't use pickle forks anymore, people. Use a hammer. And then take this and then I strap it right to the strut, and it keeps it out of the way. And then here in the passenger side of the vehicle, you'll have to remove the air box, which you can see the air leads. And then you'll remove your battery with your battery tray. Your battery tray sits in over here like this. There's two fasteners right here. These are 12 millimeters. There's 4 of them. And then you need to remove the fuse panel, kick it out of your way so that you can gain access to your 14 millimeter fasteners right here, which this one you won't need to watch out because of the wiring harness right here when you're putting it back in. And then there's another one right there. That's another 14 millimeter fastener. Now the driver's side's easier because you can actually access the bolts on both sides of the tower over here to remove the upper A-arm. So, but it's pretty simple. You ain't going to need very many tools on this. You're going to need a 3/4 socket. Let's see here, 14 millimeter, 17 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and a 12 millimeter, and some side cutters, and a hammer, and a pry bar, because I kind of used a pry bar. Let me find it here to help me pry over here to help get in the upper A-arm, get it into position. So like always, comment, rate, subscribe. Check me out on Dave's Garage 512. That's all one word, and like that page. Thank you.